We've been catching whispers about a new top-tier smartwatch that's set to go head-to-head with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It was initially thought to be called the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, or maybe even the Galaxy Watch X. But guess what? The final name is Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Yep, the name itself screams premium. This beast got its name leak from the TDRA certification in the UAE. Sporting the model number SM-L705F, it's packing cellular connectivity and supports speedy 10-watt charging. Not too shabby for a smartwatch, right? Now let's talk design. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is rumored to rock a squircle matte case with a round 1.5-inch screen and that iconic rotating bezel. You'll find 3 buttons on the right and a big speaker grille on the left. Personally, I'm a bit iffy about the round screen in a squircle case. I mean, come on Samsung, make up your mind. It kind of defeats the whole purpose of a square design. But design preferences aside, let's dive into the juicy specs. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be water resistant up to 100 meters and have an insane 100-hour battery life. Just to compare, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 lasts 36 hours on a full charge, or up to 72 hours in low power mode. Samsung might be crushing it with this battery game. Also, that's a major leap from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's 80 hours. It's fueled by a 578 mAh battery, which might be advertised as 600 mAh. Bigger is better, right? Under the hood, it's powered by the brand new Exynos W1000 SoC, promising a super smooth experience. We've also heard rumors about a fancy micro-LED screen, blood sugar monitoring, and maybe even sleep apnea support. Mark your calendars, folks, because this smartwatch is expected to launch in July. Save the date. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is rumored for July 10th. We're expecting to see the new Galaxy watches, some cool new foldables, and maybe even the mysterious Samsung Galaxy Ring. Stay tuned and get ready for some wrist-blinging tech awesomeness. Catch you in the next one.